easy. Let me give myself a time to think about it. I need a pencil, I need a piece of paper. I want to cough it out. Umzwangethu udlala ngami, hliziyo ikayibozi. My heart can't pump the blood. Sengehle nasemzimbeni abanye behle emotweni zabo. Trying all the time to work hard for a better life. Going up and down and sacrificing for this love. Sitshela ukuthi nami ngilitholile ubambo lwami. Umuntu engimthanda ngayo yonke inhliziyo yami. I can't predict how I feel, ngiyakuthanda qha. Thanda indlela osithanda ngayo kulothanda sithandana kulo. Ngithanda wena siqu ngizokubeka esifubeni Maulana. Gonna share our dreams together for future life. Kanti ngiyasikhohlisa kulo mhlaba kuthandana kuyadlalwa. Isikhathi sokuthandana sisibani sokufuneka isaka.